can't believe it's 2026. Happy New Year. And we're all 1 year older, but hopefully by being around the Trade Pro Academy community, you feel like you're 10 years wiser for every one that you invest in this business. Today, I want to share a really exciting message with you. Over the last couple of years, I stepped back from the very same business that I founded and started. And I'm eternally grateful to people like Victorio, Fatty, who have stepped up in my absence and led the community. Now, during my absence, I felt like something was missing. I did go into music production and I was having success working with very successful artists and climbing up in the new industry, but deep down, I missed something. Part of me was not there. And I came to the conclusion it was you. I say this and hopefully it doesn't sound cheesy, but trading isn't what I do, it's who I am. And the biggest part of it for me is getting the opportunity to spend time with you, to learn the markets together, to teach you the markets, and to go through these experiences as a united group. Trade Pro Academy is a family. So here's what's changing for 2026. First and foremost, I'm going to be back in the business and leading it once again fully. This means I'm going to be focusing strongly on order flow. Order flow is the tool that gives you the edge of execution. There's a lot of things that could help you build bias and set levels, but what I've heard from hundreds of thousands of traders I've worked with is the one thing that they struggle with is the moment where they pull the trigger, the moment where the idea turns into the trade, the moment that the risk is actually taken. So for that moment, one of the best tools is the usage of order flow to identify areas of high probability and low risk. And in 2026, I'm going to be focusing on just that with you. You and I are going to dig deep and we're going to find out what it takes to have execution mastery applying order flow. This means we're getting a new order flow course, a new order flow trading room led by me and hosted by me every single day. And we're going to get a chance in there together to put these concepts to practice. We're going to do the fight together. We're going to grind and we're going to celebrate as a team. This is what's coming to you just at the beginning of the year. And I got a whole platform developed for the rest of 2026 that I think is going to shock you in a good way. So again, what's happening is a new order flow course is coming soon. And in the coming weeks, you're going to get an invite to see what it's all about. Also, that order flow course will be live taught and recorded, which means you're going to have a chance to be in an environment that's interactive. It's not just watching videos that's going to give you the takeaways. It's being able to ask the questions, get responses in real time, and for us to roll up our sleeves and literally get to work because the trading industry is all based on application. It's not the knowledge that gives you the edge, it's the application of that knowledge that creates your edge. So together in 2026, we're going to finally create your edge and we're going to finally make you a star trader by focusing on the execution moments, focusing on order flow. And I've built something for you that is hands down the best work I've done. And now I look back and I realize this absence from the industry actually gave me the break that I needed and the clarity to come up with this product. So this is something that takes my entire experience from 2001 to being on the trading floor in 2009 and 25 years of experience bundled into this very moment and this very course. I'm really excited to share it with you. Happy New Year. It's 2026 and you're going to be shocked at the amount of value that's coming your way. I'm really excited to deliver on the promise. I know it's a bold one, but I'm also thankful for you giving me the opportunity to be back, giving me the opportunity to have the break, and trusting Trade Pro Academy as the place you go to learn how to trade. So I'm excited to go down this path with you and this journey together. And 2026 is going to be the best year yet. That is a promise. I'll see you guys very soon, and I look forward to sharing more information with you on what's coming in greater detail very soon. Happy 2026. Let's get to work.